Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I want to show you how you can use an car subwoofer as your home subwoofer. So for this you might need a few additional things because this runs on DC power. You might either need to get a DC to AC converter that might work out easily for most of the people, or if you have a battery system like this, or you might also have an battery that also you can use for connecting your subwoofer, and you can power it through these type of methods, like either use a car battery or use charge it separately and use it, or get a converter if you don't want to use a battery. If you already have, then it is fine. If not, you don't need to buy that. Or if you have a home solar system, you can connect that as well. I will show you my home solar system as well. I usually connect to that or to my extra car battery that I have, and I use it. So for this experiment you also need an audio splitter like this. It might be available on Amazon for less than 200 rupees. So, and one extra aux cable, because you might need to use the aux that comes from the subwoofer, and you want to connect it to this splitter. Okay, now I want to show you what exactly you need to be done. This is a JXL subwoofer. So why I went to a car subwoofer rather than the home system is that these are much more cheaper, as well as if I want to resell it, there is a lot of other market that I can sell it to a lot of people, or I can use it in my own car as well. So that's the reason some people might have upgraded their system at car and they want to use their existing subwoofer. You can use that as well, or you can go and get a new one like me if you don't have a subwoofer. Okay, let's come to the connection part. So once you get the subwoofer, you might need to use a connector like this, a wire to connect to the battery or to the converter cable. So you might need to, I have given like this. So connection are simple, where you see positive there, from there to one more rem. So basically it's in the car, it is given to the part where you give the ignition. So when you turn on the car, that's when the power system comes to this to tell that car has been started. And here you can connect that part to the positive itself. You can see the connection here. This is positive. I've used a small wire to connect both to the trim, and to the ground you can give it to the negative negative charge. So let me play music in my edifier bookshelf speakers. I will just take you so these are my bookshelf speakers, the one on the left and right one here. So I'm going to use them with my car subwoofer, and I'm going to play. Before that, I just want to play you directly on how it sounds with that bookshelf speakers, and I will add the subwoofer, and I will show you how the difference it's going to make. Okay. Now you might have heard it through headphones, it might have been much more clear. Now what I'm going to do is I will again show you the connection part from close up. Here you can see, and you need to have an aux output, so have this cable for connecting to the splitter. So in the splitter I have already connected one for the edifier speakers, one to connect my phone. So I'm going to include the car subwoofer aux cable into this splitter. Now you can see that I have connected and it's not turned on yet. What I'm going to do is I will directly connect it to my battery system, and I will show you how it will power up. So this is negative, this is positive, and you can see that it just turned up. It also got an remote to operate the bass, so I have kept it at max, and I'm regulating the volume here. So you have multiple options to control the volume from this subwoofer as well. Now it is turned on, so let me play and I will show you how the difference is going to be with the bass. Let me increase the volume. Now I will remove the subwoofer and you can see how much difference it's going to make. I'm going to plug in. I will remove. Plugging in. So you might have seen the difference. So it makes a lot of difference, and it enhances the bass experience. Also, this is like kind of like rolling bass which you hear in the car, so don't expect it to be home quality, but definitely it will enhance the bass that you are looking out for. So this is a cheaper alternative than getting a branded woofer system. So anybody looking out to use a car subwoofer that exists or thinking to buy new one, so this is how you can use it, and this is how it will make a difference with the smaller speaker. You can also use with your existing additional woofer system, like I have eyeball 5.1 soundbar which I have kept behind the TV, or you can use with the older system like the Philips speakers, and which has an amplifier, so you can connect to various kinds of speakers and you can use it. So that's the way you can make an car subwoofer to an home entertainment system. So hope this video has been helpful. If you have any doubts, please comment down. I will be checking the comments regularly, so I can answer you as quickly as possible. Thank you everyone. Subscribe to my channel, so I might do much more details into audio, home audio and everything. So I have a lot of speaker systems, which just not what you see here, but also have a few other systems which have already made videos. You can go back to that and you can check. So I'm going to be active and going to make much more detailed videos into tech unboxing and the reviews of the products that are available in the Indian Amazon market, or the general products that I usually buy. So you can have a look at other products as well. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.